birthday, Rusty!
Okay. Happy birthday, Papa Rusty! I miss you!
Happy birthday, Sir Rusty! I wish you good health, more blessings to come para ma-share to us, and happiness. Keep in touch!
Happy birthday, Sir Ninong Rusty. Wish ko po sa iyo maraming good health. Ingat ka po palagi and God bless.
Happy birthday, Rusty! Same birthday!
Happy birthday.
Wow!
Ikaw. Hi, Sir Rusty. Happy birthday. We will miss you.
Rusty, good happy birthday. So it has been good working with you. It's so sorry na magre-retire ka na, but it was a pleasure always working with you, and thank you for the support, and thank you for all your kindness to all your people and to other people as well, at saka sa group natin. So happy birthday, and hope for the best.
Happy birthday, Rusty! I love you so much!
Happy birthday, Sir Rusty! Hello! Salamat, sir, sa friendship, no? Sa advices, sa ups and downs natin, sa mga kwentuhan, sa mga memories natin since TNT years. Ramdam ko yung pagiging kuya mo. Alam mo kung kailan ako may problem, at alam ko rin kung kailan ka medyo stress. So lagi kitang pinapasaya, no. Ako naman lagi mong binubuli, no, sa mga pangyuyurak mo sa dangal ko. Pero that's what I like about you. Very frank, very totoo. Sir, mamimiss kita sa every Monday, no? Dahil alam ko magta-travel ka ng malala with ate and your family. Good health, more wealth, may time ka na para sa mga laruan mo, no? Sandamakmak mong laruan, hinahanap ka na ng taga JNT sa baba. Thank you, sir. We love you. Happy birthday po.
Hi, Sir Rusty. Today is not just a ordinary birthday, but it is a milestone in your life. I know you for quite some time, and you're such a nice guy. You have a beautiful heart and soul. You consider your friends as treasure. You always find ways in helping others, and we hope that you'll have a more healthy life, more relaxed life on your retirement, and we hope to see you around. So Sir Rusty, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday.
Hi, Sir Rusty. Happy 60th birthday. Your kindness and wisdom have touched so many lives, and I'm one of them. May this new chapter brings you joy, fulfillment, and adventures your heart desires. Sir, syempre, yung health mo, huwag mong pababayaan. Huwag kang matigas ang ulo kapag bawal. And remember, sir, you're not getting older. You're just becoming a classic. Happy birthday, sir. I love you. Mamimiss kita. I love you. Bye-bye, sir. Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday, sir! Mabuhay ka po!
Happy birthday, Sir Rusty! Birthday.
Rusty, happy birthday to you. I pray that God grants you the gift of good health and a long life. Happy birthday, sir. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Sir Rusty. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Sir Rusty. Dual citizen ka na, sir. Salamat sa lahat ng guidance sa finance team, and salamat sa paggagabay sa amin, lalo na sa work, buhay. Sana mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, sir. Happy birthday again.
Hello, Sir Rusty. Happy birthday. Dual citizen ka na nga, sabi ni Lito. Thank you sa lahat ng sa lahat ng inspirations at gabay niyo sa amin dito sa Pinas. Ayan, saka enjoy mo na yung life mo at more travels. Yun lang, wish you good health lagi.
Happy birthday, Sir Rusty. More birthdays to come. God bless you always. Ingat po palagi. Mwah-mwah.
2, 3. Happy birthday, Sir Rusty. I wish you good health and happiness for the rest of your life. And God bless you always.
Hi, Sir Rusty. Happy birthday. Thank you for being our manager to your entire years at IDS Medical and for being generous to us. Wish you all the best and welcome to your senior life. Enjoy! Happy birthday! God bless!
Hi, Sir Rusty. Happy 60th birthday. More birthday, more blessing, good health and long life. Yun lang. Thank you for everything.
Happy birthday, Sir Rusty. Maraming salamat sa mga sinishare mong knowledge and learnings. Habang buhay ko yung dadalhin. And mamimiss ka namin. And continue to be a blessing magnet to everyone. Nakakaiyak na.
Happy birthday, Sir Rusty!
Hello po, Sir Rusty. Sir, asa ka na, sir? Ito yung parcel mo, sir, oh. Kaya pala wala ka. Birthday mo pala. So, sir, happy birthday. Ingat po lagi.
Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Rusty. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, Sir Rusty. Happy birthday to a leader who leads not only with his eyes, but his heart. Your kindness, patience, and quiet strength have left a lasting impression on all of us. Enjoy your dual citizenship. Thank you for everything. God bless.